Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add live chat to your website in HubSpot. This feature allows you to engage with visitors in real time, helping you capture leads and provide instant support directly from your site. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to set up the live chat feature. After signing in, look at the left navigation bar and click on the Service tab. This is where HubSpot houses all its customer service tools. From the options that appear, select Chat Flows. This will take you to the main chat flow dashboard where you can manage all your chat interactions across different platforms. You'll now see the chat flow menu presenting you with different options, including web chat, mobile chat, and Facebook Messenger. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding chat to your website, so click on Create Chat Flow in the top right corner of your screen. This initiates the setup process for your new live chat widget. Next, you'll be asked to select where you want to add the chat flow. Since we're setting this up for your website, choose the website option and click Next. This ensures the chat widget will appear on your web pages rather than on mobile apps or social media. HubSpot will now present you with 3 different categories for your chat flow: Live Agent, Customer Agent, and Rules-Based Chatbot. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you want to handle incoming chats. For this tutorial, select Live Agent as your chat flow type. This option connects visitors directly with your team members in real time. Click Next at the bottom right of your screen to continue. You'll be prompted about enabling the knowledge base feature. This option empowers customers to find information on their own, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. Choose whether to enable this based on your needs, then click Next. Now comes the customization stage. Here you can personalize your chat box settings, including the welcome message that greets visitors and how you'll capture email addresses. Take your time adjusting these elements to match your brand voice and data collection needs. Move to the Display tab next. This is where you customize the visual appearance of your chat widget, including colors, avatar images, and the welcome message. Make sure these elements align with your website's branding. Click Next when you're satisfied. On the Chat Flow tab, configure the behavior settings. This includes determining when the chat should appear, which team members' conversations should route to, and any qualification questions you want to ask visitors before connecting them with an agent. Click Next once you've set these parameters. Finally, review all your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. When you're ready, click Publish to activate the live chat widget on your website. Your visitors can now reach out to your team directly through the chat interface. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.